So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 4 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So guys, this video will be about aristocracy features, merits and demerits. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's quickly go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a form of government which has its slogan to be ruling of the best is A. Democracy, B. Democracy, C. Aristocracy, D. Plutocracy. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's aristocracy. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So over here is question number 2. It says, aristocracy is described as a form of government in which A. the clergy rule, B. the best citizen rule, C. popular citizens rule, D. few citizens rule. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, the best citizen rule. And that is for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So here is question number 3 here. It says, heredity as a basis of political power is a prominent attribute of A. monarchy, B. aristocracy, C. oligarchy, D. governmentocracy. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's monarchy. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. Over here is question number 4. It says, a form of government in which the nobles rule for the benefit of all is A. plutocracy, B. aristocracy, C. gerontocracy, D. monarchy. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, as we all know, aristocracy. So that's it for this question, and this show will end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.